To open the hood of a Peugeot 207 from 2015 to 2020, first locate the interior lever under the dashboard on the driver's side. Pull this lever to release the primary bonnet lock. Then, go to the front of the car and find the secondary catch under the hood's center. Release the catch to fully lift the hood. The Peugeot 207-208 uses a two-step mechanical system for safety. The interior lever serves as the primary release, connected by a cable to the hood latch. The secondary catch, a manual release under the hood, prevents accidental opening while driving. This design ensures the hood remains secure, even if the primary latch fails. The interior lever is typically a black plastic handle, often marked with a hood icon. It is located under the dashboard, usually on the driver's side for left-hand drive models. In right-hand drive models, the location may vary slightly. Ensure the car is parked and the engine is off before attempting to use it. After pulling the interior lever, go to the front of the vehicle. Locate the secondary catch under the center of the hood. It's usually a small lever or button that secures the hood in place. Push or slide the secondary catch to release the hood. This disengages the final latch, allowing safe lifting of the bonnet. Forcing the hood open without properly releasing the secondary catch can damage the latch mechanism or cable, resulting in expensive repairs that might cost between 50 and €150. Corrosion from moisture can cause the secondary catch to stick, making it difficult to release. Regular lubrication with WD-40 helps prevent this issue and keeps the mechanism operating smoothly. Before lifting the hood, always check for any obstructions or loose items that could cause the hood to unexpectedly close. This simple precaution helps prevent injuries from pinched fingers or other accidents. Regular maintenance, such as lubricating the latch mechanism, is essential for smooth hood operation. Apply lubricant like WD-40 to the latch and cable to prevent corrosion and sticking, especially in wet climates. This simple step can save you from potential repair costs. The Peugeot 207-208 uses a traditional manual hood release system, requiring two steps: pulling an interior lever and releasing a secondary catch under the hood. Looking ahead, newer Peugeot models are trending towards electric hood releases integrated with vehicle systems, offering touchscreen or remote app control for improved accessibility and convenience. These electric systems provide better accessibility and integrate with modern vehicle technology, but they rely on battery power, which could be a limitation in certain situations. Despite these advancements, manual hood release systems are expected to continue in budget-friendly Peugeot models due to lower production costs. By 2035, most Peugeot models may feature smart bonnet releases integrated with advanced driver assistance systems, potentially using gesture or voice activation and automatic emergency unlocking. Many Peugeot 207 and 208 owners report difficulty opening the hood due to a stuck secondary catch caused by corrosion, especially in rainy climates. Safety experts from organizations like the European Transport Safety Council recommend teaching hood opening as a fundamental skill in driver education to prevent hazards. Mechanics advise always checking for obstructions under the hood before lifting to avoid minor injuries like pinched fingers. The manual lever system in Peugeot 207 and 208 models is considered reliable with a low failure rate, according to automotive data.